Hey, somebody here's anxious to go. You want to go? Hasn't been hasn't been out in a while, so we're gonna go out and do some photography. Holy crap! It is a cold morning today. I'm gonna go out and do some photography. Got the Jeep ready. Time to go get the monster. He's waiting here impatiently at the door. You want to go, huh? You want to go? He's gonna shoot out of here. Hopefully the neighbor's dogs don't. All right, let's get out of here. See you. Love you. Oh my God, I swear so many people have dogs around here. You want to go? You ready to go? Okay, we're gonna let the Jeep warm up a little bit. It is freezing out here this morning. It's only 27 degrees. What are you doing? Hey, Bauer, what did you find to eat? All right, let's get this show on the road. You ready? Hey, you ready? You ready to go? Are you ready to go? Okay, let's get going. All right, let's get out of here, buddy. Let's go have some fun. Get this Jeep warmed up. He's all alert. He's like, where are we going, Dad? I know you want me to roll down one of the windows, huh? It's too cold, buddy. Maybe once the Jeep gets warmed up, we'll do it. All right, you're on camera, so guard the Jeep, okay? Can't forget this. Gotta make a quick stop for a drink. I know it's 26 degrees and I'm buying an ice cold drink. Ready to go, buddy? Hey. Hey. Ready to go? Knuckles. Knuckles. All right, let's go. We're almost there. Actually about halfway, but you don't know. Not too bad of a day today. I can actually see the mountains. It's not as hazy as it has been in the past. Last time I come out here, it was earlier though. I came out like 8 a.m. There's a big hawk sitting on that tree over there, but I don't see any eagles resting in the trees right here. You can point them out very easily. They're huge. But we're almost there, buddy. He knows we're almost there. He's been out here a couple times, but it's been a long while since he's been here. All right, buddy, we are here. Time to roll the windows down, crank the heater, and freeze our butts off, right? Let's pull over up here and get the camera set up. Don't drive off the road here. All right, let's get things situated here. That's my beast. All right, let's get this, put it in park. Get everything adjusted here. Oh, shit. Usually you can see a couple eagles out in the trees over here, but I didn't see anything today. It is a little later in the morning. As you can see behind me, Bauer's ready to go. He's probably watching those birds sitting over there. Some baby geese, it looks like, maybe? I don't know. It's kind of late in the season for baby geese. I'm not sure, probably ducks, but he's watching those. I don't know if you can see him out there. What do you see? What do you see? What is it? You want to go chase some birds? Oh, what is that? There's a couple. There's quite a few birds sitting over here on these poles. Alright, we're switching to manual focus. Focus on him. Anyway, I don't think I'm gonna get him. Oh, there we go. Got him. Okay. Hopefully we got him. Alright, let's see what we got here. If I can get something. He's way out there. It's running around. Maybe it'll fly. Holy hell, there's a coyote out there on the ice. That's not an eagle. Yeah, it's definitely a coyote. Last time, oh nope, okay, there's an eagle way over there too. Way out there. Last time I was here, I seen 2 coyotes out running around. Guy pulled up beside me, had 2 German Shepherds in his truck, and they were just going nuts. They wanted out after that thing. But hey buddy, calm down. We'll get out and walk around up here. He seems to be getting a little antsy. I'm not sure what he's looking at back there. What do you see? Somebody else got dogs out over there going hunting? I need to clean my mirror. What is it? What is it? Okay, we're gonna turn around, get him out of the Jeep for a minute, let him run around. Means that the ground is frozen and he won't get too dirty. Plus, I think he sees some little kids over here that he's got to say hi to. So we've made it to the other end of the wildlife management area, and somebody back there is insanely impatient. He wants to get out and walk around. So we're going to get out of the vehicle for a minute and let him stretch his legs. Gotta get the leash around my hand. I ain't gonna let him out. Oh, hold still. Nope. Back up so we can release the other harness. Come on. Alright, let's go walk around and see what we see. Holy crap, he's strong. He's like, there's water. It's freezing out here. All these guys are out hunting, getting some birds. No. Come on. No, you're not going to the water. Ooh, there's a dead bird. Get back here. Come on. Gee. I don't know whose crazy idea that was to get out and walk, but it is freezing here. I think it's just the higher humidities in the air. There's a little breeze blowing through, nothing to warm it up, coming off the water. Whoo-wee. I guess we'll head back. Not really a lot to see out here today, unfortunately. Just a bunch of people out hunting and gloomy air. Some kids out here looking around, but we're gonna head back out. Hopefully we can catch something on the way out. Okay, well, I guess we'll do just a slow drive back. You know, I haven't really seen a lot out here today other than the coyote and what appeared to be an eagle flying away. But well, buddy, can we call it a successful day? Didn't see much while we were out on the causeway area, but caught a couple good ones just coming up the road right here. And what? You ready to head home? Are you ready to head home? But I did catch a couple good ones right here off the road coming here, so it's a bit cold. We're gonna call it a day, head home, see what we got. All right. And if anything comes out good, we will share them with you at the end of this video. So until next time, this is Jess and Bauer we will see you guys later. Peace. What's going on? Say goodbye. Or not. Take care. We'll see you guys.